Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how can you host your own website on a hosting platform. I'm using GitHub Developer Pack for domain and Hostinger for hosting. Okay. This is my source code file of a website, and now I'm going to host this website on a Hostinger using a real domain. So I am opening my Google Chrome and going to that developer pack option, which is student developer pack. You can also get this student developer pack from GitHub, and I'm going to log in with my GitHub account. And yes, already logged in. I'm removing this. Okay, all information get back here. I can get a domain website name.com, and you can see that I can get 25 extensions domain like .live, .studio, .software, .app, and .dev also. So I'm going to this website. Let's go click in here, get access by connecting your domain, connecting your GitHub account on namecheck.com. You can buy domains from GoDaddy, then Hostinger or the namecheck.com, and also you can buy it from Namecheck. Now I am logging with GitHub. Okay, now I have to find out my domain name. So I am finding my domain like my team name, exploit inject. Okay, exploit inject, and now I am searching that. And you can see every domains are selling with zero price. And I am taking a domain like exploitinject.works or software engineers.app, or even I can use the .dev. But I am thinking about the renewal price also so much high, and now I am going to take the exploit inject.dev because the renewal price is so less, and I am going to add to cart and then check out. Okay, here you can see it is asking that this website will give me 25 basic subscription of hosting for the hosting, but I am not going to using this. So I click no thanks, proceed to check out. You can see this is total about 0.00 rupees because I am in India, so it's shows the rupees, and it is exploitinject.dev is free, and the security and privacy also free. And I am going to next step to log in, and I am going to log in with my Gmail account. Okay, it will get my informations all. Okay, then next step, payment. There's no need to payment anything, so I'm going to complete order, and then you can see please wait while you are waiting is processing order. I have to wait now. Yes, order completed. Okay, no problem, my order has been completed using my name, and this is my details available. You see that get an SSL. I can take the SSL. But I take what this is premium. Okay, no, I don't need that premium. I'm going to go my product and find out my domains. Okay, where is my domains? Nothing about my domains. My domains. Okay. There is my domain exploitinject.dev, and I'm going to this because I have to do some work here like manage name server. I have to go to the name server option, and I have to delete all the name servers one by one, and I will add the next step. Next, now I am going to another accounts where I have the Hostinger account. I'm going to the Hostinger, and now I am logging with my Hostinger account. And you also need to buy a hosting package. I already have that package, so I'm going to the website option. I clicked on the website option. Here I have to add website. Then you can see this the desktop. My website is right in PHP, so I have to select the custom PHP or HTML site. Okay, Hostinger is loading. Now I have to type my domain name. Okay, my domain name I have to type so that I am going to the main website and copy this domain and paste it in the Hostinger. It will search the domain, and yes, they own this domain, use it. Yes, I am already by this domain, and I am going to use it. That next, Hostinger will initialize the setup. It takes some time, and it has been redirected me to the pairing option that you already find that this domain is by from name.com, and it will give me the name servers 1 and name servers 2. I have to delete these name servers and connect these name servers. For the first name servers, I'm going to copying this and come to the name server option. I'm reloading this website so that I can find all the domain name servers. I'm going to first of all edit this, save, and then update. Okay, first one is completed. Then for the second one, I am going to copying this, came here and click this, paste it, and add name server. Okay, my name server has been completed, and I'm going to save changes. And my name server has been changed, and now I have to update the name server. Notify me when my email, my domain has been connected. Okay. Then close. Now I have to wait about 3 to 4 hours or sometimes 30 minutes needs to connect the domain to the name.com to Hostinger. So I will continue the video after that.
8 semesters later.
Okay, here you can see that my website, my domain is connected with the Hostinger. I am clicking on the dashboard. Then I'm going to my source code. This is my source code. I have to make it a zip file. I'm using the window for zipping it and it is zip. This is my file. This is the file. Let's go to the file manager and I have also connected the database because this script is using the database. So first of all, I am going to file manager. It is redirecting the file manager, then public.html and public underscore HTML, sorry. Then I have to upload it, file and upload the inject, which is your compressed zip file. Okay, yes, it is uploading. It is about 16.29 MB. I have to wait some while. Okay, done. Uploaded complete. Now right click on this and then extract. Type in anything, then extract. Now the folder which you have created, DFD, open this and select all using Control A and right click on the file and move file. Click here, then move. Now, if you go to the public underscore HTML, you can find all of your folders. Now, the unwanted file means GFG and the zip file I don't need. So I am deleting this. Click and delete. Now my file has been deleted. If now I am clicking on the domain, I will be redirecting my website. But there is a problem. What is the problem? You can see this connection failed and say the SQL problem. What is means the SQL? SQL is the database. So I am going to the database and I am creating a database. Now I'm putting the database name like Finject and here a username Finject also same or you can use the Finject user and use a password, any password or I'm using the random password. And also you have to remember this thing. So I am using my notepads to save that. It has been created. Okay. Then enter my PHP admin. Let me check that which database is your. This is my database, so I am using. It is my database. Click on the SQL option and open your database for the full project. I am opening the this and here I have to change something. What is the changes? Because my database name was this, so I have to change the database. My database name was Index, but in the hostinger, my database name is this U735 this schema. So I have to use this schema for that. So I am changing the Finject options to that Control A and Finject. There is about 4 Finject, and I am replacing all the Finject. There now Control A, select and copy this. Open the my PHP admin and load that and go. You can see my database has been loaded in the in this schema. Here you can see the schema. Okay, done. Now if I reload my website, it will not work. Why it is not work? Because I have to connect my file source. So what is the file? Means I have to connect the file manager to the database. And then how can I do that? Open the config file and then whatever the file name is, in my case it is database.php. So I am opening this. Here you can see that this is database host, this is database name, user and path. So I have to change all of the things. For the hostinger, the whole local host is the same, so I don't need to change anything. But the database name, I have to change the data. Sorry, I have to change the database name. Then I have to change the username for root. Change it to this and then I have to change the password and copying this, then paste in the no, single quotation, then save it. Okay, done. It has been saved, and now if I hard refresh using Control Shift R, and you can see my website. Yes, this is my website which I uploaded in the Expert Inject update. So this is the process how you can load your website on Hostinger using your own domain. This domain can be brought for any website like Hostinger or like GoDaddy or Namecheap or whichever I use name.com. You can use any of the website by the domain and also use any company's hosting. You can be used hosting the, you can be used any free domain, free hosting club plans. The same process is applying for uploading or tracking and connecting the database. The same process. So this is the process I showed you that how you can upload your websites and connect the databases with the websites. And this is the end of the video. Thank you very much.